Hi, I'm Jessica Evans with Love of DC Real Estate here in Washington, DC. And today I am talking about two questions every home buyer should be asking themselves right now. And there actually might be three. The first question is, where do I think home prices are headed? Do you think home prices will go up or down? And what's more important is maybe the longer run projection versus the shorter run projection. But basically, where do you think prices will be in the next 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, whatever time frame in which you would expect to complete your purchase? Experts are predicting, or most economists are predicting, home price appreciation in 2023, although nothing like what we saw in 2022, which actually will end the year ahead because we saw such strong appreciation over the first half of the year. Once we see mortgage rates start to decline, we will see home prices start to increase. So the question is, where do you think home prices are headed right now? The second question is, where do you think interest rates are headed? These are questions that really no one has a distinct answer to, but what matters is your mindset around it. If you believe that mortgage rates are going to only go up from here, that they'll never come back down, and if you believe that mortgage rates and home prices are going to go up, then it's not going to become more affordable to buy a house. I think that mortgage rates may get a little higher before they go down, but once we start to see signs of inflation slowing, we should see interest rates start to come down. But that's going to happen pretty slowly. I think the important thing for home buyers to keep in mind with this is that once we see rates start to come down, prices are going to go up. And the price that you pay for a home is the price that it is forever. You know, if you get a mortgage and you put 20% down and you have an 80% loan on there, that's what it's always going to be. I mean, you're going to pay down the loan, so it's going to decrease over time. But what I mean by that is the price you bought it for is the price you bought it for. Once interest rates go down, you'll be able to refinance. Let's compare that with a situation where if you wait 12 months, rates will be lower, hopefully, but prices could be higher. And then there's no real way to change that, right? So interest rates will not stay high forever. They might go up before they go down. But I think the questions that buyers should be considering right now are, where do you expect prices to go and where do you think interest rates are headed? And unless you expect interest rates to go down and prices to go down, it doesn't really make a whole lot of sense to delay your purchase much longer, depending on where affordability is for you. The third question that I didn't plan on asking, but that I think also is worth keeping in mind, is what's going to happen to rents? Is your rent going to increase, decrease, stay the same? I think with inflation, we're going to continue to see rents go up, which will increase the amount of money you're paying each month for a housing payment one way or another. But this is my take on the questions buyers should be asking themselves right now and where I expect things to be going in the future.